Good day everyone, still Drone PH, another day, another test. So this is our DJI Neo and our mobile phone. So I will try the range with transceiver and without transceiver in our Android mobile, okay? So we will check it outside. If it's still worth buying the transceiver or no need to buy, especially on those solo drones, okay? Okay, so we are here outside today to test the range with our DJI Neo with our Android mobile phone. So this is very important, especially if you get the Neo with solo without transceiver. So I will try it for you, okay? So that you will know if this transceiver is important in our DJI Neo. So let's start. Okay, so I will start guys with the transceiver, okay? Then I will try later without the transceiver. So let's take off. Okay, so I will try to fly the range. Little bit windy, but I think the Neo 2 can carry the wind, okay? So let's go. The first Neo generation is about 50 meters only with our Wi-Fi mobile phones, okay? But I don't know with this Neo 2. First try. So 36 meters, 40 meters. Still stable. 50 meters, okay? That's great. 70. I will go this way. A lot of wires in this area. I need to check. Okay, so 96. 100 meters guys, but still stable with the transceiver. That's great. Still good. I'm using only the Android, the Honor 400 Lite only. Okay, so first interference with the Wi-Fi is about 150 meters. But still moving guys. So I will forward more until it's disconnect. So on the way to 200 meters. DJI said it's about 500 meters, I think, about the transceiver range. Interference with the 183 meters again. Okay, but still moving guys, not bad. Ito is still not disconnect with almost 200 meters. Okay, so it's 208, 9. Okay, let's go around 300 I think. Let's try until my drone disconnected, okay? Because I have heard that it's a return to home. If your drone disconnect in your mobile, okay? So we'll try. Okay, let's go more, 300. I'm in the lower part only guys, in Croatia. I'm not in the higher place, okay? Okay, so disconnect, quick signal. Okay, so it's got about 274 meters only guys with the transceiver. I try to connect but it's a disconnect. So that's it guys. We will return to home. We will wait. And we will try without a transceiver. I think it's automatic return to home. Still not reconnect. Okay, so that's it. That's great. It's return to home guys. If disconnected with your mobile, that's the good one thing that they made, okay? Nice DJI. Okay, so here's our DJI Neo 2 now. Arrive safe. Disconnect in your mobile, okay? So we'll wait to land. I will not control it to try the return to home. That's nice, super active guys. Return to home, good, 100%. Make sure that your drone have a lot of battery, okay? Okay, so that's it. The mobile test range with our transceiver, okay, with transceiver. I will remove now the transceiver guys and we will try, okay? It's reached almost 300 meters with the transceiver. So let's go without a transceiver guys. I will remove a little and we will get back. Okay, so we are here now for the second time. We'll try the range without the transceiver. So I remove it. Just remove with the screwdriver included in the box, okay? So let's start the range without the transceiver. So I'll change the brand new battery again. Okay, so let's do it. Second try. Let's go. Okay, so this is the DJI Neo without the transceiver. Mobile check range, okay? We will gonna go far until the drone disconnect in our mobile, okay? So let's go. My camera, it's on down. I will put it up. Okay. Let's continue. And 30 meters. Let's go more. Wi-Fi interfere with the 49, I think. 49 meters. With the transceiver is Wi-Fi interfere about 150 meters, so it's better, I think. So let's go more. Interfere again, 82. Okay, so as you see guys, upon my test, it's better to get the transceiver for a better range. Next time we will try the iPhone, okay? We will try on another place. If who is better, but I think transceiver still better to get, okay? Okay, so it's still moving about 160 meters, but a lot of Wi-Fi interfere. $183. I will put it up. Oh. Okay, so it's 200 meters guys. We reach without the transceiver, but a lot of disconnection, okay? Signal interfere. Oh, 235. Okay, so it's disconnect guys, about 235 meters. So the transceiver is still the best. So we will wait to return our drone, okay? Okay, so it's connects now. 246. Okay, so that's only guys. We will wait the drone to arrive. So I will go in front or forward. Okay, so it's return now guys. So it's hard to connect without the transceiver. Okay, so this is our drone now. Safe to arrive with the automatic return to home. Okay, so land. Okay. So that's it guys, the test for our mobile phone, okay? With the transceiver and without transceiver. So for me, it's better to get the transceiver, okay? For a better range with our DJI Neo 2. So that's only for the day. Till next time again, we will check the range together with our goggles N3 and the DJI FPV RC3. So that's only till next time. See you.